Bharatiya Kisan Union leader Rakesh Tikait has been demanding justice for those 4 farmers and a journalist since Sunday's violence in Lakhimpur Kheri. After the incident, he acted as a mediator and talked to the government about compensation to the victims' families and arrest to the accused. At present, the country is facing a coal crisis. Because of this, many power plants have only a few days of coal left to generate electricity. There are many such plants in Delhi which have only 1 day's coal left. Eventually, Air India was privatized and it again fell in the hands of the Tatas. Air India, which started in the name of Tata Airlines, came into the hands of the government, but the government could not handle it properly. Now, when the government privatized it, it returned home to Tata. The remains of the B-2 rocket, the world's first supersonic weapon, have been discovered in England. This weapon was fired over London by Hitler's army during World War II. However, the rocket was destroyed in southeast England before reaching its target. Parliamentary standing committees were reconstituted on Saturday. In this, senior Congress leader and MP Shashi Tharoor has been once again appointed as the chairman of the Parliamentary Party on Information Technology. However, BJP MPs were demanding on removal of Congress MP Shashi Tharoor from the post of chairman of the Parliamentary Standing Committee on IT Affairs. Well-known historian Vikram Sampath has fiercely told the Congress. Sampath launched scathing attack on the country's oldest party. In the presence of Congress MP Shashi Tharoor, he said that the party encouraged the left who wrote the heroic stories of the attackers. After China and India, now the power crisis has become serious in the West Asian countries of Lebanon as well. Lebanon has announced power cuts for several days due to lack of fuel.